I have seen a lot of videos here on YouTube about people talking about how you can make money by just watching ads, and this particular one caught my attention. Now, the reason is because it was so well detailed, it was comprehensible, the way it was explained sounded very easy and doable. So I decided to give it a try. And so on this video, I'm going to share with you the experiences I had while using the website, and if I was able to make money and how much I made. And of course, I'm going to give you bonus tips towards the end of this video so that you know how to go about if you're starting yours or you've already started, and every other thing you need to know. So stay around and watch this very end. So to begin, I went to Google, searched for CashVip, and upon opening, I signed up to the website. And for just signing up by filling out the forms, I received $10. I was really happy because so far that was the highest I've received for just signing up to your website. So I decided to go ahead to watch the ads because on the interface on the dashboard, there was just 5 ads for me to watch in a day. And I also saw that you will get paid $5 for one referral that signs up using your referral code. That really sounded very cool. So I went ahead to watch the first ad. On the ads, I could see that there are time for each ad, and the amount one would earn by just watching that ad was already stated there on the website. So I clicked on one, and upon clicking, a spammy interface popped up. I had to close that and then went back to the ad to watch, and of which after clicking for the second time, there was a timer that was reading for 35 seconds. At the expiration of the ads finished, and I received the amount that was stated for that particular ad. I was really happy, so I went ahead to try for the second one, and on clicking the second ad, the same spammy interface appeared again. Now at this point, being someone that has been trying so many ways to make money online, I saw that as a red flag. So what I did was to leave the site immediately to make my research on Google to know if what I'm doing is actually legit, or if there is any problem, or if I may stand a risk of having a virus in my system. So upon leaving that website, I went to Google to make further research about the website to know what I am using, if it is something I should be using or not. Now, before I go ahead with revealing to you what I saw after making my research, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want to learn all the ways to make money online, or if you want to know about the ones I've tried, so that you know how to go about using these things and so that you don't miss out on any part. I really appreciate you. So you can comment your experience in the comment section below if you've ever used CashVip too. I'd love to hear that.
So upon typing CashVip reviews, I saw this too. This is a blog about CashVip, and this is customer service reviews on CashVip. So I'm going to click this blog first to see what the blogger has to say about this app. Now, previously, after reading this before making this video, I saw things that actually caught my attention, and I'm going to show you here. So here is the red flags you need to be aware of as written by this blogger, and it says red flag number 1 is that it has lots of pop-up ads, like I mentioned earlier on this video. And it says that, and worst of all, these pop-up ads usually triggered my antivirus program. You see, that means all these pop-up ads either contain a virus or something harmful to your computer. This is a deal breaker for me. I personally don't like using sites that would trigger my antivirus constantly. Not only is it very annoying to deal with, but you also risk infecting your computer with malware, spyware, adware. And if you keep ignoring it and keep using the site, sooner or later, you will notice that your computer will start running slow, or worse, your password and personal information will be stolen. This is why I avoid sites like this at all costs, because there is no benefit to using it. When you come down here, when it says red flag 2, very high payment threshold. So you see, it says I have encountered a lot of these sites that all do the same thing. They appear to pay a good amount of money for their earning opportunities, but they also impose a very high payout threshold. While that may not sound suspicious, what happens is that when you've earned around half of the payment threshold, you will start to notice that the rewards you will receive will decrease drastically. It's sort of their fail-safe to prevent you from reaching their payment threshold. They keep reducing the rewards until you just eventually give up. But if somehow you get the threshold, they will then impose an additional impossible requirement for you to withdraw your earnings. For example, they will say that before you can withdraw your earnings, you will need to get a minimum of 50 referrals, or they will say you need to pay a fee to get your earnings out.
Did you hear that? That they're actually going to ask you to pay some amount of money to be able to get your visa. Now that really sounds like a scam to me, because if you're trying to make money online, you shouldn't be asked to pay money to get something. I mean, to get your money out, because how are you even sure you're going to get your money out? Now, after reading this, I did not just take the word for it, because this is a particular person and he's probably writing based on his own experience. So I still went ahead to look for other people's opinion, because I just wanted to get like more than one opinion about this website so that I'll be very sure about what the blogger is talking about. But everything I've seen so far, it's really actually sounding very, very crazy. So I went back to Trustpilot.
So this is Trustpilot, where you get reviews people have made about a particular site or app. And here I'm seeing 1.8 reviews. Like that is the rating. 1 star only, that is what people are giving. Like just very few 5 stars. Just 15%. 4 star is 88%. 2 star is 3%. And 1 star is whopping 74%. So coming down here, you will see totally a scam. This is what this person is saying. It says this website is completely scam and does not have any payment. In fact, it uses you as a tool to earn money from advertising, and you click for free. It says fraud website. And it says it's a scam. This is what this person is saying. No withdrawal, even if you reach the amount of 60 ads and 10 of the referrals. In my case, I have $500 from referrals, couldn't withdraw a single penny.
That was really crazy. So in a nutshell, what it means is that this website literally uses people to like make money from people that bring ads to their site. And once people watch the ads, they make money without even sharing, even if it's the very tiniest portion of the money, with people that come to like watch the ads on their behalf. So they're literally using people, and their bait is they are giving you $10 for just signing up, and they are paying high amount for just watching 30 seconds ad, compared to what other sites that do the same thing are actually charging. So these are the red flags you should look out for. And it is so crazy because they will push you to refer people to the site, and if you're referring people to that type of site, it's not really a good one, like for you as the person referring the person. So here are the takeouts you just have to take into consideration before you consider trying out any make money online websites you may come across anywhere. So first, before you engage, you have to make your own research about the website to know everything people are saying about the website, if it is true. And of course, the most important thing is if you're actually going to get paid after you must have put in the work. Secondly, once you log into the website, you have to be observant about the environment on the website. If you're getting spammy ads popping up from different angles, you should probably make your research and probably leave the website. And of course, this third thing you have to look out for is if the payment is high, like compared to the work you're going to be putting in comparison to other people that are doing something similar. You know that it's something like it's a red flag for you to probably see if you can make more research or even leave the website and not come back to it. So these are the things you have to like put into consideration so that you stay safe. And so that was the end of my journey using that site. I didn't care about the money that I have already made or going back to the site again, because already it's a waste of time. So please, if you enjoyed this video, please like so that other people will watch and learn from it. And please feel free to check out these videos that are showing on my screen right now. Subscribe to my channel so that you can get more videos from me, and I'll see you in the next one.